What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to pair, or in other words, how to connect your AirPods into your iPhone device in here. As you can see, usually it's as easy as just opening up the case and then something should pop up in here on your iPhone device, whether you want to connect to this specific AirPod or not. But I'm going to show you how to connect even if this pop-up in here doesn't show on your iPhone device. You might be having an issue, a bug or something like that. I'm going to show you how to fix it in today's video and how to seamlessly connect your AirPods to your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. I do upload a lot of content in here related to Apple devices, tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, make sure you subscribe and be part of the YouTube channel in here. Now, please note that in a few scenarios in here, you might not be able to connect into your iPhone device because it's actually linked or already connected to the old device's owner, right? To the old AirPods owner. So you need to disconnect from that old AirPods owner in order to pair it to the new AirPods owner, which will be you. And this is also important because you want to remove all the data from the previous owner. You don't want it to be linked, okay? All the settings and custom preferences, sound isolation, and a lot more stuff, and set your brand new information from scratch. Now, the very first step in here is to reset your AirPods in here. And in order to reset your AirPods, we do have two ways of doing it. You might be having an AirPod with a physical button here at the back, just like mine, or you might be having a much recent AirPod without a physical button at the back. If you do have a physical button, all you want to do is open the case with the earphones inside. You want to press and hold the button at the back until you see the amber light blinking here at the front. There we go. I'm still pressing the button at the back. This should take you 15 to 20 seconds. I'm still pressing the button, and there we go. We do have the amber light. I'm going to release the button and let my AirPod restart from scratch. What I've done in here is I've reset the AirPods, and as soon as I bring it close to an iPhone device, the iPhone device that will be much closer to this specific AirPods will get that pop-up to connect into my iPhone device. Now, this is how you can actually disconnect and reset your AirPods. Now, the next thing in here, of course, will be to connect and then change the details of that specific AirPod under settings. Now, if you do have AirPods without the physical button at the back, you want to simply open the case and then you want to double tap 3 times here at the front. We do have a sensor in here, and this is how it goes. Tap, tap, tap. That's it. It needs to be in the same sequence that I've done, and it needs to be with the same speed as well, right? Do not take a lot of time or a long break between the taps. It needs to be 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is how it needs to be. And once that's done, your AirPod will simply reset and you'll be able to see the white color blinking here at the front. This is how easy you can actually reset your AirPods into different AirPod models, so you can actually connect from your iPhone device, which probably is the first time connecting. Now, if you're unable to see any sort of light in here whenever you open or whenever you tap or whenever you press and hold the button at the back, this is probably because your case doesn't have any sort of charge. So you want to charge your AirPods, connect, for example, this end into the AirPod in here case, the other end into your charging socket real quick. There we go. You want to plug it into your charging power socket and see if your AirPods charge. It should show in here either the amber color or the green color, and you want to keep it charging for approximately, we're talking 20 minutes. That's the minimum I would recommend if you're really out of juice here in your AirPods case. Now, after charging it, you simply want to perform these same steps to reset. Tap, tap, tap if you do have AirPods without the physical button at the back. But if you do have the physical button, simply press and hold the button until you see the amber light and then release the button and let it reset again. Okay, this you need to do after charging the case as well. Now, after performing this, all you want to do is simply unlock your AirPod, bring it close. You'll be seeing this pop up in here. Tap on connect to connect your AirPods, and this is how easy you can actually connect AirPods to your iPhone device. It's going to take you a couple seconds to connect. There we go. It's syncing. I'm going to tap on not now. Okay, you do have a lot of settings in here because we've just reset it from scratch. I'm going to tap on not now and all of this. Continue, done, and it's now connected. Now I'm going to tap on settings real quick. And then here you do have the AirPods. I'm going to tap in here. You do have all the settings in here. Okay, noise cancellation, adaptive, transparency, and all settings in here, left and right, which mode you wish to have. And then down here you do have, for example, an option to disconnect and forget the device, right? So you can actually change all the settings in here that you wish to change here on your AirPods by simply tapping here on AirPods Pro. And here, the most important part, you can change your name as well by simply changing it to something else. So every time someone wants to connect to your AirPods, they'll be looking at your custom name that you wish to type it in here at the top of your settings to identify your AirPods real quick. Now, once you've set up all this here within your settings page, what I would recommend you guys to do is to simply restart your phone. Now, to restart, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button to perform a complete reboot. That's how it goes. 1, 2, pressing and holding the power button just to calibrate all the settings here with your iPhone that you've actually changed. Keep on pressing the power button. I haven't released it, okay? Keep on pressing it until you see the Apple logo, and do not worry, this doesn't delete any data on your phone. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the process is similar. All you want to do is press and hold the volume down button here along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo, and then release the power as well as the volume down button to let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you do have a much older iPhone device, such as an iPhone 6 with the physical home button down here, in order to perform a forced restart, simply press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo, and then you want to release both of the buttons combination to let your phone turn on normally, right? Now, that's how it goes. Usually the button is located here, the right, the power button, but in a few devices such as an iPhone 5 or 4, the button is located at the top as well. So you want to see if it's here or here. So that's it for today, guys. Once that's done, simply reconnect to your AirPods and you're good to go. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.